Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're cooking up grilled fish Havana style, a mouth-watering dish that is smoky, citrusy and full of vibrant cumin flavor. This recipe brings tender flaky fish to life with a zesty marinade and that perfect grilled char. So if you love bold tropical taste and fresh seafood, you're going to fall in love with this one. To see more of how I make this grilled fish, keep on watching. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. To get this recipe started, I am going to show you guys a list of all the ingredients which we're going to use to make this grilled fish recipe. So you will need 1 pepper, which is optional for this recipe, fresh oregano leaves, garlic, 1 lime juice, vinegar, garlic powder, olive oil, fine sea salt, which is right there, dry oregano leaves. You will also need cooking wine, Italian seasoning, cumin powder, and Cajun seasoning. So if you guys are interested to make this recipe, please check the description box for a list of ingredients used, because some of these ingredients which I'll be using to make this grilled fish Havana style recipe is optional. Okay, so I am going to get all my ingredients ready. I'm going to wash these ingredients off camera to save us some time. Make sure your ingredients are washed and cleaned thoroughly. Then we're going to continue with this delicious grilled fish recipe. So once all the ingredients are washed and cleaned thoroughly, we're going to go ahead and place the ingredients into the blender. I am going to go off camera. I'm going to blend these ingredients to make the marinade for the fish, and then we're going to continue with the next step in this recipe. Now I am going to go in with my garlic powder. So like I said before, we're going to add all of our fresh ingredients into the blender. Then we're going to go in with all of our dry ingredients. I am going to go off camera. I am going to blend these ingredients until it's nice and smooth. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, and then I'm going to get my fish ready. So the Cajun seasoning for this recipe, guys, is optional, but I love seafood and I love my seafood to be nice and flavorful. So if that's you, I would definitely suggest adding the cumin powder to this recipe. So this is what our marinade looks like. This smells absolutely beautiful. We're going to set that to the side. We're going to get our fish ready. So for this recipe, you will need 3 medium red snapper. We're going to place them into our baking dish. We're going to get a piece of paper towel and pat the fish dry. And then we're going to continue with this delicious grilled fish Havana style recipe. So once the fish are nice and dry, we're going to add just a generous amount of sea salt and ground black pepper onto the fish. So make sure to season the back and front of the fish, guys, and even the inside of the fish. We want our fish to be nice and flavorful. And those fish looks absolutely beautiful, so we want nice flavorful fish, so you have to add just a generous amount of seasoning. Make sure it's fully seasoned, okay? Now I'm going to take my kitchen knife. I am going to slice some shallow slices onto the fish. This is optional for this recipe, guys. I like to do this to my fish because the seasoning soaks nicely into the fish and it tastes so much better once it's fully baked. Now we are going to get our marinade ready. We're just going to pour that goodness all over the fish, just like that. Then we're going to set this fish to marinate for 1 hour and 50 minutes. So make sure to marinate the fish for 1 hour and 50 minutes because you don't want the fish to get very mushy. Okay, so 1 hour and 50 minutes is perfect. And then once it's done, we're going to get it ready to bake in the oven for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. It depends on the thickness of the fish, okay? And the marinade smells absolutely delicious. I wish you guys could smell this from through the camera. The added garlic, cooking wine, vinegar, olive oil, it just gives such nice flavor. So this is what the fish looks like, guys. Make sure to add the marinade on the inside of the fish as well. That looks so beautiful. It smells beautiful, it looks beautiful, and it's going to be so flavorful once it's fully baked. So we are going to remove the marinade from the fish. Make sure to take all the marinade off the fish just like that. Then add about a teaspoon of oil on the back and front of the fish. And that looks absolutely beautiful. We're going to place the fish into the ovens. We're going to grill the fish, and then after the fish is completely cooked, I'm going to show you guys what this fish looks like. So this is the final result of this grilled fish Havana style recipe. It came out absolutely beautiful, guys. As you guys can see, it has that nice bright color. It was so flavorful. The taste was just perfect. Okay, and it has this zesty flavor to it. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Take care. Bye, guys.